Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 944, delete columns to make sorted. This is easy and the solution is pretty straightforward, so let's start. We are given an array of strings of the same length, so let's say that this is the array. And we can arrange the strings such that there's one on each line making a grid. So for this example, we can build this grid. And we want to delete the columns that are not sorted lexicographically. If we take column number 0, we have A, B, C. In column number 1, we have B, C, A. And in column number 2, we have C, E, E. From these three columns, this is sorted, this is also sorted, and this is not sorted. So we need to remove this column and we need to return the number of columns that we delete. In this case, we delete 1, so we return 1. And the solution is quite simple. If we are given this input, we can arrange this grid. We know that we need to iterate every column, so we can start with this column. And from here, we need to iterate the characters in this column in every row. So we have a nested for loop. We are iterating every column, and from each column we iterate every row, starting from row number 1. Every time we are checking if the current character is smaller than the character in the previous row and the same column. Because if this is true, we know that the current column is not sorted, so we can add 1 to the result. In this case, B is greater than A, so we continue, now we are here, and C is greater than B. So this column is sorted lexicographically. Now we can continue with this column, and remember that we always start from row number 1. So we are here. And we are checking if this is smaller than the value in the previous row and the same column. And C is greater than B, so we continue. Now we are here, and A is smaller than C. So this column is not sorted. At this point, we add 1 to the result. We continue with the next column. We break this in a loop, by the way. Now we are here. And now we are doing the same. We start from here and we are checking if this is smaller than this. And E is greater than C, so we continue. And here E is equal to E, meaning this is sorted lexicographically. Now we have already iterated every column, so we return 1. Time complexity here is big O of n times m, because we are iterating rows and columns. And space complexity is big O of 1. So with this in mind, let's go with the code. This is a short code. We have rows, which are given by the length of strings. And we have columns, which are given by the length of strings at 0. The result is initially 0. And for every column in range columns, and we have an inner loop for row in range. We start from 1 to the amount of rows that we have. Every time we are checking if strings at the current row and column is smaller than strings row minus 1 column, we know that this column is not sorted lexicographically, so we can add 1 to the result and break this inner loop. So we continue with the next column and we repeat the process until we end this loop. Finally, we return result. So this is the entire code. Now let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.